Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will show how to make a bon puppet out of paper. First, gather your materials. You'll need 2 sheets of paper, ideally 8, 5 by 11 inches, along with scissors, glue, and colorful markers. A ruler and pencil will also be helpful for making accurate folds and cuts. Having everything ready before you start makes the process much smoother and more enjoyable. Now let's create the puppet's base. Take 1 sheet of paper and fold it in half lengthwise. Then fold it into an accordion, making sure each fold is about 1 inch wide. This will form the puppet's body. For the head, take your second sheet of paper and cut out a rounded shape, approximately 4 inches in diameter. This will be the foundation for Bon's face. With the head and body ready, it's time to add some personality. On the rounded headpiece, draw 2 large, expressive eyes and a wide, friendly mouth. Feel free to use different colored markers to make these features pop. Next, cut out 2 small, rounded ear shapes from scrap paper and glue them to the sides of the head. This really starts to bring your Bon puppet to life. For the final step, carefully glue the finished head onto the top of your accordion-folded body. Make sure it's centered and secure. Let the glue dry completely for about 15 minutes to ensure a strong bond. Once dry, simply insert your hand into the folds of the body, and you can make your Bon puppet talk and move. Enjoy playing with your new paper friend.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.